Hey YouTube. Does this video feel old? I'm here in Roblox. And I got the stupid hair I used to have. Oh my god, this is so whack. Like, dude. Whack. Got the old, where is it? Down there? Maybe. Down that corner. Somewhere. Dude. So weird to have my hair like this. Remember when I used to do that all the time? I'm gonna rock a man bun. Give me a second, I got it. I could have easily done a messy bun, but I didn't. I got it a man bun, an actual bun. Ooh, oopsie. Bandana now. Yeah. Just first of all, old intro. Hey, what's up? Mapbot 2000 here. I messed that up. Hey, what's up? Mapbot 2000 here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, but today we're doing an obby, like 400 levels. I'll take that evil bear. Where do I start? Easy mode. No thanks. Oh. Account. Oh. I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move. Oh shit. Alright, so I guess I do have to jump. Alright. Dang. Boom. 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 Boom.
Oh, boom. Matthew, you're killing me.
What?
You're killing me.
How am I killing you? Did you plan on going on this?
Yeah, I came down here to draw.
Don't worry, I'll be off in 12 minutes.
Alright.
So yeah, I've been whoop. So I've been ooh, pro gamer move. Whoop. Boom. Speed run it. What if I just oh, that's cheap. Alright, let's jump. Oh. Alright, let's get. Come on. I'm not skipping the stage. I'm not cheating. Oh, balls, y'all are seeing this, right? Bro. Dude, this is some nostalgia AF. Oh! I used to like only do like Roblox videos, I think, or at least I made a bunch of murder mystery. Dude, I'll have to like find Salix for that. Like, dude. I don't even know if I can get in contact with Salix. Like, what did he... Oh, I see. Alright, so... oh my god. Dude. How badly I just want to, like, turn on easy mode and just walk through this all. Yo, I should make a Town of Salem video. You know how epic that'd be, playing Town of Salem? What was one of these? Yeah. Did it turn me around? Oh! It's this one then. Yep. Boop. Boop. Hey, there we go. It's rude to put a death bar right there. I might as well go risky. Oh my god. To do some pro gamer Roblox moves for this. Dude. Hip! Oh. I thought that'd make me go farther. Didn't really. Did it. Boom. I totally could have went for that one. Ugh! I don't have to jump for these. Obbies is just turning and jumping pretty much. Oh, don't make me. Oh, okay, I probably... Yeah, I could have just done that. Oh my god. Oh, this one's oof and a half. Remember when Roblox was big? Dang, those were the days. 10 years old. You just got off of school. You go on your computer and you play that building game that, like, I don't even remember what it was called. It's the... Ooh.
Oh, hey bud.
Hi.
What's going on?
Not much. Shangri-La?
Oh.
Like, those were the days, man. You just... That one building one. I don't even remember what it's called. Like, it's not even like a thing anymore. Oh, do I have to? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Bam. Dude, what? Oh, I'm on stage 38. Oh, I'm still like... It's like the same repetitive stuff. Dude, I can... Why would you do... Oh, the last one I did. Oh, they threw us for a loop that... Oh. dang it. See, even if you miss, you can like, oh my god. Even if you're off a little bit, you can save yourself. Oh lord. Oh. Ah, I'm not skipping the stage. Oh my god. I have one skip remaining. I'm not wasting it on level 41. Yeah, we still got 10 times the amount of levels to do. Why add that? That's just stupid. Pro gamer move right there. She's there like, alright, which one am I getting next? And I'm just here like, what if I just like, can I make that? And I can. Dude. Floor 2. Oh my, there's a second floor. Oh my lord. Dude, what if I just, is there like a death barrier? Oh, there is. It'd be cool just to like, oh. Which one? This one? Nope. This one? Nope. This one. Oh, that's weird. Dude. Oh, hey, there's another. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're just trying to. Boop, boop, boop. Oh my. We're getting close to running out of time. Or is it here? No, it's not. It's here. What happens if I did touch this? Oh, I die. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. I'd say I'm a bit more Cham and Till. Ah, dang it. Princess Layla. Sorry, I ran out of time, and so we skipped who knows how many levels. Don't care. It's boring. I'm just talking about stuff. But oh, you know what? I started talking about how I probably cut myself mid-sentence. But I started talking about how if I had my own PC, I'd restart, because like this one got like wiped, completely wiped, factory reset, so all the stuff I had on here gone. I'm not gonna take the time to download Steam and those games again. If I want to play them, I'll get my own like gaming laptop or something. Like, I'll get a job when COVID-19 stops. We're like out of time. Like, right? Can I save? Hold on, let me figure out how to save. So I think it just saves for me. But that is actually all the time we have, since I use Screencast and their limit is 15 minutes, which is way better than Bandicam, because that's 10. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.